My name is Jeron, 39 years old, married, and currently employed as a transport rider, moved for almost 3 years now. Prior to this, I served as a security officer for 17 years where I was trained to prioritize safety, maintain alertness, and respond effectively to any situation or emergency. Through those years, I developed discipline, focus, and ability to perform well under pressure. I possess a variety of skills that I believe are valuable in any workplace. I can operate both two and four vehicles, and I have deep interest in animal care as I personally take care of 8 pet dogs. In addition, I enjoy gardening, particularly planting and nurturing different kinds of plants and flowers. I consider myself a responsible, hardworking, and adaptable person. I can easily work with others, communicate effectively, especially in English, which allow me to interact well with different kinds of people. Thank you very much for your time and attention.